had this funny question on my mind, how a sound frequency could make a successful YouTube video or an unsuccessful one. And I had this question on my mind because I made a second YouTube channel in my own native language and it blew up into the sky. So let's dive in and contemplate about the idea of sound frequency. But the most important thing that I instilled from that information was actually the resonance with you and your core audience. As my Estonian audience already knows me and I speak in a different vocal frequency, maraaginsellisel moel, and it's more tolerable for their ears to listen.